Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijay Lakshmi from Tiny Tots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for first class students. Today I am going to revise lesson number 8, My Classroom. What is the name of the lesson? My Classroom. Ma, where are you sitting in your school? Where are you sitting in your school? You are sitting in your classroom. Why are you sitting in your school? To study, to read, to write and to learn new things from your teacher. To learn new things from your teacher. Already I told this in my school lesson. School is fun lesson. So, a classroom is a place where the teacher teaches and where the students listens. Where the student studies. Where the student studies. Our classroom has so many windows, fans, tables, desks, board and piece of chalk and duster like that. See here see, this is our classroom and this is the board and this is the table in front of the board and this is the display chart. See, in a classroom there are some things. What are the things in classroom? We can see blackboard. What is the use of blackboard? To write and teach. Blackboard is needed. We cannot write without blackboard. And the students sit in front of the blackboard and they write whatever teacher has written and they study. Okay. Second one, there is a big table in front of the blackboard. And see, it faces the classroom. The table faces the classroom. There the teacher keeps the duster, that piece of chalk and her books on that table. Second one is table. Children writing your homework notebook. Second one, table. Table is needed for the teacher to keep her things. Third one, cupboard is a place where the students can keep their things like books, extra books, pens, piece of chalks, dusters like that. That is called cupboard. This is called cupboard. And next one, see, this is called board. What is that? What is the board? See, display board. Next one, display board. Display board is needed to display their charts and activities papers which the children had done. This is called display board. This is called cupboard and this is called display board. Display board is very useful to keep the children's charts and things which they had done. This is the board. This is the board which is useful to write with a marker, whiteboard. To write in some schools, there are not this type of boards. This type of boards are there. These type of boards are very useful for writing with marker. Next one, dustbin. Dustbin is very useful. To throw dust and garbage which are in the classroom. The dustbin is very useful to keep the classroom neat and clean. Earlier times there were no classrooms. Where did the students sit? The students and teachers sat under the trees and they studied under the trees only. Later than in every village they had kept one Gurukula. In that Gurukula, students had gone there and studied. So, we should keep our classroom neat and clean. What are the steps to be taken to keep our classroom neat and clean? We should throw garbage or dust or pencil peels in the dustbin only. In the dustbin which is in the corner only. Don't write on the walls. Don't write on the walls with pencils or markers. And keep the unwanted books in your desk. Keep the unwanted books in your desk. And see, where does the teacher write? The teacher writes on the blackboard. Where does the student sit? The student sits on the desk. Sits on the desk. Where does the student keep his displays and charts? He keeps his displays and charts on the display board. On the display board. There had given two types of words, pen and pencil. See, pen and pencil, pen and pencil, chalk and board, chalk and board. Next one, bench and chair, bench and chair, teacher and students, teacher and students. Next, table and chair, table and chair, pen and pencil, chalk and board, table and chair, bench and desk, teacher and students, teacher and students. The teacher keep the things in the cupboard. Next, we throw waste in the dustbin. We throw waste in the dustbin. Now I will show 4 things which are useful in the classroom. Look at this. Can we use this trick in the classroom? No. Can we use this waste paper in the classroom? No. We have to keep in the dustbin. Can we use brick? No. Can we use pencil peel? Yes, we can keep in the dustbin. Okay. See, switch off the fans and lights when you are coming out of your classroom. Then we can save electricity. Say hello when you see your classmates. Say wish your teacher when the teacher enters into your classroom. And share your lunch with your friends. And share your water with your friends. If you don't have, then you can get from them. Then you don't spill rice on the floor. Don't spill rice on the floor. Lend your things to your friends and who are needy people. These are the classroom manners now. Go slowly in the line and don't shout loudly in the class. Don't shout loudly in the class. And speak in English only. And speak with others very politely. Very politely. These are the minimum classroom manners. Classroom is our second home. We are living in home maximum 6 hours only. And we are living in the house also 6 hours. 6 hours we are sleeping. 6 hours we are sleeping. And 6 hours we are doing our household works, bathing, brushing, and eating food, and playing with our friends, watching TV like that. Most of the time we are spending in our school only. So school is our second home. School is our second home. We have to keep our classroom very neat and clean. We should throw garbage or dust or pencil peels, waste papers in the dustbin. Use dustbin properly. Then you can keep your classroom very neat and clean. See, our classroom has windows and doors and fans also. A proper air light should come to the classroom. Then only the students can sit freely and they can listen the lessons very interestingly. So this is about our classroom. Already I told about classroom manners also. Don't shout loudly in the class. Go in line only. Throw waste papers in the dustbin. Sit in your bench only. Share the things with your friends and lend the things with your friends. And don't spill rice on the floor. Don't pour water on the floor like that. These are all the precautions have to be taken to keep our classroom neat and clean. This is about our classroom. But this year you are not coming to classroom. You are watching lessons through YouTube only. So watch the YouTube lessons properly. Read storybooks. Try to improve your handwriting. Try to speak in English. Try to learn how to speak in English like that. These are all very essential for your learning process. Okay, children? Bye, children. Bye. Good evening. Bye. Okay, bye.